Hey guys, welcome to the 2022 Cruising McMinnville Downtown Car Show. Tonight there will be a cruise down McMinnville here, and it's a great show that's open to all years of cars. It's based around the old Cruising the Gut like we did back in the day. We'll see you tonight.
This was a very nice butternut yellow 1967 Camaro SS. The engine was built by Gray's Racing Engine of McMinnville, Oregon. And this 1959 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop on air. And here we have a 1968 Oldsmobile 442 with some big wheels. A 1931 Chevrolet two-door sedan. Don't see too many old Chevrolets. And this red truck here was built by Chip Pendergraft of Dayton, Oregon. Fantastic truck. And I believe this is a 1936 Ford two-door coupe. And a Ford Bronco here, I'm going to guess the year on that is about a 69 or 70. And I believe we have a 1971 Cougar Eliminator here. And I'm going to say a 1950 Chevrolet 3100. And again, a nice little Bronco here. And this 1932 Ford Roadster, owned by Tim Elliott of McMinnville, with a flathead V8, was absolutely beautiful. You had another Ford Bronco here with a small block in it. A 1967 Chevelle with a 427 and a 4-speed transmission with bucket seats. What an awesome car that is. And I'd imagine that 427 would get this Chevelle down the road pretty good there, especially with that 4-speed. And this beautiful little Nash Metropolitan owned by Crystal and Ray Woolridge of McMinnville, Oregon. And this beautiful 1960 Edsel Ranger convertible was absolutely stunning. The quality of this build was very, very good, with that sea frost green paint and the white ivory interior and the billet wheels. It really was a very, very nice car. And I really like this 1950 Chevrolet two-door fastback. And here we have a matching Willys wagon and a Willys pickup, both owned by Jim Hurl and his wife of McMinnville, Oregon. Very, very nice builds. And here we have a 1965 Chevelle two-door wagon with a straight axle and a tunnel ram dual fours, and a 27 Ford pickup owned by Tim and Susan Fuller of McMinnville, Oregon. And here we have a 1969 Chevrolet C10 half-ton short bed two-wheel drive truck. Very nice. And how about this Mercury Cougar XR7 GT in black, and a 1932 Ford three-window coupe with a small block Ford in it. And we have a Plymouth Duster, not sure the year on the Duster there, and looks to be a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner in bright yellow. And here we have a 1967 Mustang two-door coupe and a 1941 Ford of McMinnville, Oregon. Beautiful. Love the wheels, tire combo. Car really looks nice. Got a 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10 and bright red with chrome, looks like U.S. Rambler wheels on it. Nice truck. And here we have a 1967 Olds 442. And we got a 1953 Chevrolet four-door, absolutely beautiful, owned by Mark Lugo of McMinnville, Oregon. I really like this little two-door Ford Falcon here. It had a 2300cc mini stock racing motor in it. And this bright green 1973 Z28 Camaro. And we have a 1950, I believe it is, Chevrolet owned by Art and Linda Finn of Amity, Oregon. The car was completed last year. It's very, very nice. And here we have a 1959 Chevrolet Corvette, a 1931 Ford Victoria owned by Bob Hinchcliffe, and a little Ford Falcon convertible with the radius rear wheel wells, a 1966 Chevelle convertible, very nice car, a 1940 Chevrolet coupe with a straight axle owned by David Poe, and another picture of the 66 Chevelle convertible out of Dayton, Oregon. And one of the crowd favorites was this fire truck owned by Willie Giddings of Salem, Oregon. Beautiful truck, and the kids just love this thing. They claimed all over it here. And you got a Buick GS Stage 1, I believe in 1970, and another picture of Willie's fire truck there. It was a tiller. This little Ford chop top pickup, I believe in 1935. And we got a 66 or 67 Nova, two-door hardtop. Got a, looks like to be a 1985 Z28 Camaro in all original condition. And a 69, 70 Dodge Charger. And this 59 Ford Country Squire wagon was one of my favorites of the show. Very, very nice car. You got a Pontiac GTO with a 6-liter engine. These cars really haul the mail. And here we got a 1970 El Camino with a 572 and a Studebaker with fins and a straight axle. Pretty wild looking. And this little Ford truck was absolutely beautiful. That black paint was nearly perfect. And here we have a 3-window coupe. I didn't get to see under the hood, but I have a feeling it had a flathead under there. And here we have a little Ford F100 short bed bump side. Pretty neat truck. Didn't get to hear the engine or to see what was under the hood of it. But I sure like this C10 pickup here. Short wide box, probably about a 1969 or 70, with some pretty cool wheels on it. And the interior was stitched in the original style. Very, very nice. And here we have a 1967 Camaro with 8-inch Raleigh wheels on it. Small block in it, looks to be. A 1962 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop. And we've got a 71 or 72 Chevrolet Chevelle. Can't see the grill. And another Chevelle convertible. Very, very nice. And here we have a 1968 Camaro SS, black with a white stripe.
See that red roll bar and everything?
Might be a bit too much traffic for me.
Yeah. There you go, buddy. Looking good. Woohoo!
Back at ya.
Yeah. Cool.
Hi, Dad.
Nice. Sweet. Good to see you, buddy.
Yeah, good to see you.
Right on.
Okay, this way?
You know.
That which way? Okay, we go this way?
Yeah, it is.
They keep
Uh-oh, there goes C10.
Dylan.
Deal. No. Double trouble. Last time I saw this car was in Bonneville. Hey, buddy. Somebody. whatever way you
So
go.
where's Bill's Anderson?
By Tim Ford.
See, they're already back.
Had a great time at the show and the cruise. We took the old Model T and cruised it down McMinnville there and just had a great time. It was a crowd really loved it. Well, my favorites were the fire truck owned by Willie Giddings, this Ford 59 Country Squire wagon, and the 1960 Edsel, and this Chevrolet two-door post owned by Art and Linda Finn of Dayton, Oregon. And if you would, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll catch you next time at Rust Duck Garage.